In today's cycling, we're going to take the freshly, brand new constructed road from Namantao-Maopi Road. We're going to start from the Asian Highway 26 from Daraga to Sorsogon to the east. This is it now, from the east to the west. The DJI Mini 4K is flown here to see what this road is above. This road portion goes to the east, but later, this drone flight will be turned to the west. This place is nice. Someone may own some land here through buying if the owners here are willing to sell their land. This place is just a handful kilometers from the famous Bicol International Airport to the north. The DJI Mini 4K is flown a little bit higher to further see the road location above. And now the cycling to the west is continued. Once again, the DJI Mini 4K is flown to see the road above that I recently have taken, and to further gaze over the scenery in the nearby places. There it goes upward. Wow, it's excellent timing that a taking-off airplane is visible in the distance of the Bicol International Airport. And the worldwide famous Mayon volcano is also noticeable from this very location. A brand new being constructed building is likewise noted along this very freshly built road. This might be a public school building. Perhaps this is enough for today's cycling, and let's go forward to the west.